Hey there folks, my name is Luke. This is the one, the only, the beautiful Susie. Welcome back to the channel. I don't know why I want to give you an applause every single time you're on the channel, but
Yay!
yay, it's Susie.
All right, I'll take it.
This is an episode of Viewer Mail. We have the best viewers in the entire world. We have 3 packages from 2 different individuals. Now, as you guys can see right here, we have the boxes. We are in a public campground that's actually closed, but there are hiking trails around here. I want to scream out, "What's in the boxes?" But I probably shouldn't. What do you think?
Probably not. And actually, it's been pretty funny as we set up for filming this morning. We were talking about the campsite that we chose to film in, and it's actually a floodplain. And there are pipes, like drainage pipes, where the water would pour right into this campsite. So we were actually chuckling about it, that we are coming to you live from a floodplain.
Yeah, this is the last place that you would ever want to camp. It is ridiculous. Like Susie said, there's, the drainage pipes that lead right into here. You could see where it's flooding. There's massive piles of gravel and washout all the way through this.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It goes to show you that even if you choose to camp at a public campground, you should still do some research and pick your spot.
Yeah, take a look first.
Yeah, be picky with what you pick. Anyway, okay.
To the unboxings. So our first package comes from my good buddy, David. Now, David, my friend, USPS has literally stomped the living you-know-what out of this box. Like, when we picked this up, the woman's like, "I hope everything's okay." Because, something has literally smashed this box pretty good. Nonetheless, thank you so much for sending this in. I'm sure everything will be fine.
Oh, yeah. It's not unusual to get a smashed package from the Postal Service.
No. What's in the box?
And see what you have.
What's in the box?
Oh, boy.
Oh.
Coffee!
What is it? Instant coffee? Or?
This is instant coffee, black powder from Black Rifle Coffee Company.
Sweet. Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much. Check that out. Oh, yeah.
David says, "Luke, just a little something I put together for you. Hope you enjoy the coffee, especially. It's not Taster's nasty, but oh well." Haha, laugh out loud. God bless.
Hey, thank you so much, David.
You love any kind of coffee.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
Oh, I do.
Yeah.
I'll drink dirt. Muddy water is close enough to being coffee.
Everyone keeps trying to elevate your taste.
They do.
Yeah. I appreciate that they do that. Yeah, that's good.
Do you think it's possible?
I think you enjoy every cup of coffee that you try, but you're happy with Taster's nasty.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, so we have a beanie from Condor.
Nice.
Yeah, it's actually really, really hot, so I'm not going to put it on right now. It's like 70 degrees right now. In the middle of February, it's unreal.
It's crazy weather. It's too hot for this today, but
Tomorrow.
I know, tomorrow it's gonna be back in the 30s. So.
Yeah, it's like we had like this crazy warm-up day, but then it's right back into ice storms and so on. So thank you so much. I will be using this in a couple of days. Okay, so we have a Mountain House meal. This is a home-style chicken noodle casserole.
Oh, that sounds great.
Yeah, I haven't tried that one. We will have to do an episode of Campers Cafe with it.
Is this a new meal, I wonder?
I don't know.
Nice.
Yeah,
okay.
Sounds good. Okay, so we have one more item. This is from Mountain House as well. The ice cream sandwich.
Yum.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Ready to eat, no drip, no mess.
I know somebody who this is perfect for.
Are you thinking of Lucas?
Yep.
Yeah.
He's an ice cream connoisseur.
That's right. So I think it's a must that he must go out with you.
Right. Yeah, there you go.
He must go camping to get this.
Yeah. Do you guys want to see Lucas and I out on another adventure? Heck, we should throw Susie in too. That'd be so much fun.
That would be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lucas and I had such a great time when we were on the AT. That kid's a champ.
What's funny though is he's rarely in the videos. Not that he doesn't go out with you, but he's rarely in the videos. So every time the viewers see him, he's like little, big, and now even bigger.
He's huge.
Yeah. But yeah, we'll have to get him back out there in a video. But he'll love this. So.
Yep. And I think that's it from David. David, thank you so much, buddy. I mean, we cannot thank you enough. You are awesome.
Yes.
You were really awesome.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to make some of this coffee right now.
Yeah.
Maybe after this video, fire up the stove.
Coffee.
Yeah. Next up, we have box number 1 And box number 2. 24-hour ration pack.
Do you remember which adventure that you actually had one of these in and you wanted some more?
Oh, I can't, but they were really, really
They
good.
were really good.
The last one that I had, I can't even remember what exactly it was that I ate, but I thought it was excellent.
Was it some kind of tuna maybe, or
I just don't remember.
some kind of pasta salad?
Yeah.
I do remember you saying like this was so good and you just loved it.
Yeah.
So these are like the British Army ration packs, and
This is from Philip.
Yep.
He sent both of these in. Thank you so much, buddy. Now, interestingly enough, he has issued me a man challenge. And essentially, this man challenge is to at least try whatever this is.
you said you would eat anything, so now you've been challenged.
You know what? Let's eat this thing.
Right now?
Right now. Phil, you're on. I don't back down from a challenge, even if it is the type of challenge that you'd never, ever agree to do.
Okay.
You never stick anything in your mouth, guys.
Yeah, Luke is never gonna turn down a challenge.
So challenge accepted. Let's eat some of this treacle sponge pudding.
Sponge pudding?
I don't know why they call it a pudding because this doesn't look like a pudding at all. It's awesome.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
He loves it.
Not
I'll try
bad.
some. Yeah. It's good.
Molasses.
You need coffee with that
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
That was like the best challenge you've ever had.
Yeah. I don't really care much about eating weird things, but that does not mean that I want you guys to start sending me a whole bunch of disgusting crap. Because I may not eat it.
So is this something that isn't well liked, or is it just, I don't know.
No.
It's really good.
Comment down below, folks, and tell us why this would be a challenge.
It's good.
Yeah. Philip, David, thank you guys both so much. You guys are appreciated. Thank you very much for entertaining us, sending these in. You all rule. Until next time, everybody take care, strength and honor. I need some water. See you guys around.
Bye.
That was good.
That was good.